Welcome back to my channel. Today it is a rainy Sunday, and since it's raining, I thought, why not be productive? So we're gonna go to the grocery store and we're gonna get some seeds to start up this garden, because if you know, you know, it is almost that time for spring. I'm in zone 9, so right now is the perfect time to get all your plants started. And to be completely honest, I really don't need any more seeds. Y'all, if y'all see all the seeds I got, y'all would be like, get out of this store, okay? But I feel like you can never have enough seeds, so why not? So I got back home. I decided to put my plants outside to get that natural rain plant water. My plants are going to be outside while I continue to get these seeds started. So yeah, let's get started. So, of course, you're going to need seeds, you're going to need nursery pots, a marker, and something to scoop your dirt, or you can use your hands. Craft sticks to label your plants. So I'm going to plant marigold flowers. They help to get rid of pests. Here's a craft sticks again, scooper, water bottle. You're going to need dirt. It's essential. Yes, and more seeds. Here's the nursery pots. We're going to go ahead and remove those. I feel like the next steps are self-explanatory. You could just watch and see and learn. All right? So to start off, we're going to start with spinach. We're going to plant some strawberry seeds. What else? Let's see. We're going to do Roma tomato. We're going to do a cherry tomato. Yes, and we're going to fill all of these with dirt, soil, whatever you want to call it. Just make sure that they are full. You can fill them up to like 3/4. They don't have to be filled all the way to the top. It's actually unnecessary if you want to save on some dirt. Oh, and one more thing. I noticed that I got a lot of new followers. We are almost at 300, you guys. Like, can you believe it? I cannot. But if you're new, or if you've been here for a minute, tell me where you're from. I want to know where y'all from. Like, I think that's so cool. So tell me in the comments where y'all from. So the strawberry seeds are going to be first. We're going to go ahead and take this little utensil, whatever you want to call it, and we're going to make indentations into the dirt. They look like little circles. So in those circles, you're just going to plant or sow the seeds. I like to do like 2 to 3 for each hole, but you can do whatever you want. You can do 1, you can do 2, you can do 3, you can just do 1 in the entire planter. It's totally up to you, but this is just what I like to do. So yes, now we're going to go ahead and take that craft stick and we're going to label it, so that we know exactly what plant is what plant, because baby, when they start growing, they all start to look the same. I promise. So having these markers are very important to keep track of your plants. And you can also, know what day that you actually planted it, just for some cool progress, And now for my very favorite things to plant, because I'm a spicy girl and I like spicy things, okay? Yes, so we're getting into these peppers. We got Trinidad Viper pepper, we got Naga lemon pepper, and we have ghost pepper and hibiscus. But that's not a pepper, but it's still good to plant. So here is everything that I planted. We're actually going to go on to the next step after we clean up all of this dirt, and we're going to water it. So here's a quick tip to water. If you want to do it quick, you want to do it fast, take all of those nursery pots that we just planted, put them in a sink, run the water, and give them a water bath. Boom, you're done. You're done. It's literally that easy. Water them all and move on. Done. So now that all of the plants are properly watered and the soil is thoroughly soaked, we are going to move on and put them to the windowsill. I like to put mine right at the windowsill because it's just simple. You know that they're going to get sun for more than 8 hours a day if they're on a windowsill. So, yeah. So here are all my babies lined up, ready to go. As you could tell, I ran out of craft sticks, so I used acrylic paint and I just painted on what each plant was, as you can see, in blue. Don't judge me, okay? Don't judge me. I had to do what I had to do. So, yeah, guys, we're done. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope that you learned something. If you did learn something, tell me in the comments what you learned or what did you already know. Tell me. All right, bye. See you in the next video. And if you enjoyed this, please like, comment, subscribe to help this channel grow. I really appreciate it.